Tecom Electronics is an industry leader for development and manufacturing of smart AV lecterns for more than 25 years. Our TecPodiums have been installed worldwide in some of the best schools and universities, corporate, military, civic training centers, and more. Tecom is totally committed to quality and customer satisfaction. Our primary agenda is to offer tailored, creative, complete and unique solutions with the most advanced products and innovative technology that meets individual needs. Tecom specializes in making complex technological AV equipment accessible and upgrading classrooms with simple, easy-to-use and operate systems. Tecom Electronics manufactures TecPodium, a breakthrough all-in-one multimedia lectern. TecPodium, with its streamlined, contemporary lectern design, offers an innovative, fully integrated and easy-to-use presentation solution to every size and type of hall. TecPodium Lite is a complete solution for any classrooms, boardroom and training room. Quick to install, the TecPodium Lite features a true plug-and-play capability. It can be installed in new or existing facilities, requiring only power and TCO. TecPodium has gained great success worldwide in various organizations, in education, government facilities, conference centers, and houses of worship.
The Levinsky Wingate Academic Center aims to lead advanced technology and provide the most excellent service to the college students and lecturers with easy-to-use AV equipment, high quality and efficient.
Over the years, Tecom has supported and provided high-quality audio-video equipment and solution to our college to our full satisfaction.
Visit us at www.tecpodium.com.